Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12s, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this Samsung. Start by opening settings, scrolling down and choosing lock screen. Now select screen lock type and pick one of the locking methods, pattern, pin or password. Click on the chosen one, enter it, choose continue at the bottom right corner, repeat it and tap on confirm. Over here you can turn on or off app notifications by clicking on your lock screen, obviously, by clicking on the switcher over here. When you're done, just click done. If you want to back up your pattern, click agree and log in into your Samsung account. But I don't want to, so I will click home button, and now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!